Hella, of course, is a very big global company, but here we started from scratch.
When we looked for the new location for our new plant, we analyzed a lot of countries. I think it was in total 18 countries.
We were looking for high political stability, and then, of course, you could invest your money anywhere, but you need people to run the plant. And our impression, and this has been verified by our own experience, that in Lithuania we find a high number of qualified people.
We were very warmly welcomed, and we had from the first feeling that each partner we met was acting in the way that a good and fair cooperation, a supportive cooperation, was easily possible.
If we really compare with other regions in Europe for automotive market, we have already overheated labor markets. And I don't believe that it's here the case. I'm quite confident that we will get the people we need, open-minded, also with a kind of entrepreneurship. This is a Hella mindset.
I must say I'm quite impressed about our team. All of them are very ambitious, very willing to learn and highly committed. This is making the job of the leadership team very easy. Our target here is to produce state-of-the-art and very innovative automotive electronics, which is related to the automotive megatrends. When I think about my team, my target is that we perceive ourselves as the team of intrapreneurs in automotive electronics, so that we grow together, that we are focusing strongly on being team players and on our teamwork.
You can already see one of our main competitors is building a plant just a few hundred meters away from here. And I think this is for us the best evidence that our decision was right, that the first one is already following, and I'm convinced more will follow.